Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are at Michael's and it is a gloomy rainy day, so we are going to go into Michael's and we are going to see what do they have for fall decor, fall and Halloween decor. Sorry. So yeah, excuse me tonight. So Joey drove us. Can you put this in your back pocket? Joey drove us in because my knee is killing me, and when I drive for a long time it hurts a little bit more than it should. But right away in the seasonal aisle back there I see, so we're gonna make our way over there and I will show you guys when we get. Okay, so they do have plenty things over here. Sunflowers, they have the fall, hello fall signs, they even have the football signs, the signs for your yard. A lot of sunflower decor, but I want to see if they have anything for, I think I showed you guys that in the last one at the other Michael's when they just started putting stuff out. They have candles out now. They have vanilla chai, and I want to see how much this is. Where's the price on it? All right, I don't see no price, but anyways, for the candles they have vanilla chai, they have pumpkin pancake, they have sweet sunflower, autumn walk, they have warm cider donuts, they have oak, wood, and cotton, pumpkin pie, we have hot butter rum, cinnamon spice, we have flannel and football, and pumpkin pie again. So they have all the fall candles out too for you guys. So yeah, just in case you were wondering, they have everything you're looking for. Okay, we did show you the lights, but I want to show you some more stuff. They got the smaller candles out too also, and this one is maple candy and corn. I want to see the price on there. This is $14.99, so these are $14.99. This is maple candy and corn. Oh, there's fuzzy sweater. We have black eyed Susan, never heard of that in my life. We have Bomb Bomb. This is Chandelle, and this is Canel. I don't know, but yeah, these is the fall candles, and then they do have the same ones in a bigger size. But over here I'm going to show you. Okay, so the fall stuff stop right here. So they do have this very pretty wreath. I can't reach it because it's so far up and I'm not that tall, but yeah, they have the wreath. They have this LED light grapevine pumpkin. It does light up, so it's supposed to light up, and that is how it looks. And this bad baby will run you about $29.99. I think it's really cute because it has multiple colors in there and stuff like that. And then they do offer you a bigger one. I don't like the way they smushed it down there, but this is the bigger one. So this one is really pretty to go on your porch, especially for those fall nights. And this is $49.99. and then they also have a smaller one. And then they do have this pretty wreath with the honeycomb and stuff. This is really pretty, and this is really different. I never seen this on anybody's door, so I don't know, I might put that on our door. And then the wreath above is kind of like a basket, but a wreath. This is $59.99. and then this is a different garland. This garland is $29.99. This one is $29.99, and this one is $69.99. This wreath is adorable, and then this wreath is something different. I love it. That is $59.99 right there. That is really, really cute. This wreath is something I look like I have already. I love these, the way they go on your porch. Let's check out the price. So these porch pumpkin planters are $99.99. And then the sunflower wreaths or whatever. This wreath right here is $69.99. That one right here is really pretty, really fall colors. This wreath is $59.99. This is $69.99, and this pretty one right here is $59.99. And then this garland right here is beautiful, $69.99. This one next to it with just the leaves right here is $29.99. This one is $29.99, and this is $29.99. Yeah, but these are pretty much the wreaths. Let me see how much this wreath is for you guys, because they tag be tucked away. This wreath is $59.99. And then this wreath right here, that wreath right there is $100. This cute little porch decor is $150 right there. But then those are the pumpkin planters that I showed you that light up. They're pretty much the same price. So I'm gonna go down this aisle. They are just starting to put out that Halloween stuff. I just want y'all to see, because I was looking to see what did they have, but they don't have pretty much nothing. So they have these Halloween dark green tinsel. This is $4.49. Oh, and they do have the dark purple flowers also. This is $5.99. Very pretty, very pretty. They have the little pots. Ooh, glass. Okay, so I'm not gonna pick that up, but they do have these out. They have the wreath, the skeleton planter, the garland, the skull head, the little spider potter. They have the smaller ones of the little pots, the bat potter, and all these cute little black leaves and stuff. I like the black leaves, I cannot lie. This is $9.99. The purple flowers with the spider on it, as you can see, this is, I'm trying to see the price, $7.99. The glass coffins is $20. And then they have the big coffins too. I'm trying not to touch the glass stuff, but I do want y'all to see the little decor items. They have brains. They have the brains up there, bones. What are those? Teeth right there? Yeah. Those are, they look like,
no, them heads.
oh, little heads.
This bones.
Brains.
Ooh, those fake bugs.
Bring it closer to the camera. Fake bugs. Ew, it look real.
That makes my skin itch.
Yeah.
And this is the black skeleton.
Black skeleton, and then the glow in the dark snakes.
Oh yeah, this.
There we go.
What's this?
That's like a you know, like a fortune teller.
Oh,
ball, a globe. Yeah.
Look at this.
And then they have beakers. How much is the beakers? We gotta show the price.
It's
Let me.
$6, $5.99.
Okay, $5.99. Don't look at the Canada. Okay, you looking at the Canada price, but they do have like experimental things and stuff.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh my God, look at the flower with the eye in it. Look at this. This is so cute.
Look at this.
I know. And then this is $3.99, but it's so different. And they have the black one, the white ones. I like these. This is so cute. How cute is this? $6.99. These are $3.99. How cute is that? They have them in purple and black, and then these big old spider skeletons I cannot deal with, but these are adorable. If you have black and white decor, this will be great. These is $4.99. Look how cute. They come in all different kinds, polka dot, triangle stripes, and then they have them in orange and black. And then they do have the cotton type of pumpkins too, in black and white. These are $5.99. And then, yeah, I put that in the camera already. Okay, okay, can I want y'all to see that? Okay. And then they have, oh, this is really pretty to throw in your arrangement if you're doing something a spooky theme. So this is $5.99. And then this is the Pumpus.
I wonder if it feels good.
Flowers or feathers, $2.99. Purple and black, but they are getting it set up. They have way more stuff coming out. The little cute witch legs.
Oh, that is cute.
And then they have the little cute witch hats. They have them in purple and black.
Oh, that is cute.
Okay, and then they have the little, what is this stuff? Decorative, I don't know what it is. Like a little voodoo doll in black and red, $5.99.
If I stab it with...
Stop that. And then they do have the little, you know, little decor on the end. Your decorative candles and stuff like that. And then they have so much that's not out. And this is just your fall floral decor down here. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Michael's is putting out a lot of cute things. If you're into neutrals, they have that too. Oh, we're gonna cut that out. We're gonna cut that out. That's cute. How much is that? It's on the top.
$12.99.
And that's $12.99. That'd be really cute to throw like in a bathroom or something. Yeah, because the neutral vases is really pretty for the fall. But I love these big flowers. It's really pretty. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see what they have. But they got so much stuff. Y'all see this? This is all of what's going out. So we're going to come back next week. Me and Kanaya. Joey be at work. We ain't gonna bother him. I'm trying not to be nosy, but look at this. They bringing these out. They have them in black and purple. I'm not supposed to be messing with the stuff because the girl.
Don't show me.
Okay. But yeah. But then they have football stuff too for Garland. So if you like football, I don't really care for football. I decorate for harvest so that it can stay all the way up to Thanksgiving. You know, until I get ready to decorate for Christmas. But yeah.
This is so ugly.
Well, thanks. Okay. But yeah, this is what they have out so far. And I think they are doing amazing. And I can't wait. They even got fall throws. This is $39.99. And they got the little pillows out too. I just want to... I know. You can go to Target or Walmart, something where it's cheaper. But I just wanted to walk to see if they had anything else around the store that's fall related. But hi. They just got it set up where they starting to decorate it.
Cute.
Yeah, it is cute. It's eye catching. So, oh, you can put punch in there. And then this is really cute. Yeah. So this is really cute. Gather together. They got really cute stuff. They even got a Medusa head. How cute is that? I was trying to see if they had a whole bunch of Halloween stuff. I love these placemats. I love stuff like that. I know, Medusa head. That's cute.
This is creepy.
It's creepy? They got a lot of wooden decor out stuff for the fall. But yeah, those are really adorable. She can barely walk.
Happy birthday. 3 years old.
Help herself.
Don't. Oh my God. Walk back and get away from him. Come on, push me forward. Push me. Push me faster. Faster. Somebody said BBW. They like big black women. Sexy.
But y'all, I'm gonna get her back to mama because this camera is heavy.
It is
I'm
heavy.
tired of holding it.
No, you ain't
So,
fine.
bye now.
You young, baby. Hold the camera. They're recording us. So we recording them. Let's record each other. Anywho, we're finna head out. Thank you guys for watching. Say bye, Joey.
Bye-bye.
Wave to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the next one.